オスカーマイクゼロエコータンゴゼイヤキスレイノベンバーゴルケデルタ Good evening, how are you, Paul?
Hello everyone, this is Paul, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Today I got this little package from Germany, from Remote company, and I ordered the MFJ-993 remote controlled automatic antenna tuner. So I am very curious how it will looks like and how it will working. So let's go open the box, we'll see what's inside, and then I want to install this MFJ tuner on the roof on my long wire antenna. So here it is. Oh, quite a big thing. So here the MFJ box. It's a plastic box. The back side also plastic box, and the mounting brackets on both sides. Here we have two PL connectors, 259, and high voltage socket for the wire. This is the grounding. On the back side, so you see here, this is for 300 watts, a maximum. And the label with the information which connector is for one purpose. Okay. And the other thing is the bias is also inside the box. This is the bias, or the power over the coaxial feed line or cable. So here the power input, it's for 1 to 50 volts, on off switch, and the PL connectors, this one and this one. So this is DC block, so this one should be connected to transceiver, and DC pass should be connected to antenna, or to the antenna tuner. Good. And the third thing inside the box was this cable, DC power cable for the bias. It's okay. Okay, so there is no any manual inside the box, so I have to download the manual PDF document from the internet. Okay, so I'm now on the MFJ official website, and we can find here the products MFJ-993, and here in the downloads we can download the PDF document with product manual. So we can open this document. Okay, and we can find the product specification or features. Right, okay, so here they are the features, the main features of this tuner. Automatically it matches antenna from 6 to 1600 ohms impedance. That's good. 32 to 1, that's quite a lot. Handles 300 watts PEP with SSB and 150 in the carrier mode. Tunes in less than 20 seconds, usually less than 5 seconds. Oh, we will see. Over 2000 non-volatile memories for tuning settings and highly efficient switch L network matching circuit. Frequency range 1.8 to 30 MHz, continuous frequency coverage, and adjustable target SWR from 1 to 2. That's good. Okay, and the specification of this antenna, you can see here. This is very important that when we will for the first time tune this antenna, or we will make a first initial tuning process, we have to use 5 to 20 watts until the tuner will be programmed on this frequency what we want, or the band. The RF power limit is 300 watts. This we read before. (12 to 15 volts and so on. We have some dimensions here. As I said, this is quite a big thing. And yeah, the mounting brackets. The mounting brackets was not included in the package. 1.6 kilograms. Yeah, okay, so this is the schematic diagram how to connect this tuner. So we have transceiver output, optional antenna into the antenna switch. This is optional, or you can feed directly from transceiver to the bias T. DC power supply 12 or 13.8 volts, maximum 15 volts. And also we can use the optional lightning surge protector. In my case, I have the lightning surge protector. And after the lightning surge protector, we can connect the automatic tuner and the wire antenna. Good. Here we have the connectors, ground wing, coax 2, coax 1. So it can tune the wire with the high voltage socket, or you can input the coaxial cable from some kind of balloon or what here inside this connector, and this is the main connector or the output from the tuner to transceiver. We have to ground this thing properly. Yeah, applying greater than 18 volts to the MFJ-BRT can result in permanent damage. So we should use 15 volts max. Okay, when tuner power is off, the tuner is in bypass mode and RF from the transmitter goes directly to the antenna with no matching. This is very important. Yeah, we can use the internal tuner in my transceiver as well. Operation, this is how we can tune for the first time this tuner, or the normal tune-up when the tuner is programmed to all bands, but still we have to use 5 to 20 watts in both cases. Tuner will check the frequency and set tuner for settings for this frequency. Yeah, in case if the frequency is not programmed. So it have to check this frequency again. Okay, we see some warning. Never tune with high power, more than 20 watts. Do not turn the power on and off rapidly, so we have to wait 1 or 2 seconds before turning it back. During the tuning process, the tuner will make noise. This is normal. Here we have the table with the frequency range on all bands from 160 to 10 meters. Okay, and some few other things would be very interesting to read all these things before first test of this tuner. Okay, so now I think it's time to installation. So this is the place where I want to install the tuner. You see the wire, and there's the insulator. On the upper side is the rope, and on the bottom is the wire. This wire is 44 meters long, and it's going down to the neighbor building, and right above the antenna will be hex beam. Okay, so I want to put the tuner here on this pipe. Previously I had here the 921 Unun, and before I will install the tuner, I have to seal all these unnecessary things what I will not use. This is this second antenna connector. So I have the self volcanic tape as the waterproof insulation, and also here was the DC plug, DC socket. It is also not necessary to me, so it's sealed. The ground and antenna socket will be free. MFJ is on place and small accident happened. The PL connector is broken. Oh yeah, that's bad. So now I have to repair the cable and then try the antenna. You see the wire is connected and the ground is here, is also connected. I have to seal and it's finished. So now I have to go downstairs and find a new connector. Okay, I'm on the tower now. PL connector is repaired. So you can see the ceilings. This is the grounding. This is the wire socket. The PL connector number 2. PL connector number 1 and DC socket here on the bottom. Here I have the grounding. It's coming directly down to the construction, and the box. You can see closely this fitting of the wire, insulator, the wire itself. This wire was bought from the high-end Fed company, 45 meters long, as I mentioned before. Endings there. Okay, I go down to my shack and we'll try this MFJ. A pity that the wire socket is on the side of this box, so therefore I had to rotate the MFJ box upside down, because now the antenna is fitting fine. Could be much better if the if this high voltage pod on the side was somewhere on the upper side of the box, but pity is not. Okay, so I'll go try this tuner. Okay, so here the RF DC output will be connected to antenna, and the other side will be connected to transceiver. Okay. The switch is on off position, and now I will connect the DC power cable. Okay, and it's ready to go. I will switch on the tuner and let's see how it works. Okay, so we have here the 160 meter band. We can see some activity on the band. Auto tuner is turned on, and firstly we have to decrease the power to 20 watts. I will use 15 watts, about 15%. Okay, and we have to switch to the carrier mode, like for example RTTY, and you hear the voice, and we have to see the SWR meter, and now I will transmit, and it will see the SWR will dropping down very quickly. You see, it's tuning. It's still tuning. And now it's on the best value. It's about 1.3. So it's tuned right on this frequency, 1923, but if I move to the other edge of the 160 meter band, we have to tune this tuner again. No, it is 1.5, and tuner is not active on this SWR level. In general, the 1.5 SWR is not bad at all. So now we can change the other band. We can go to, for example, 17 meters. I will switch to antenna 2 and tune in carrier mode. Okay, that was fast. About 1.2. Now we can try 12 meter band, let's say on 950, carrier mode, again 15 watts, and transmit, antenna 2 of course. It's done. Okay, about 1.3. Next will be 10 meter band, antenna 2, and carrier mode. We have FM, but I go to RTTY and transmit. Excellent. So here we have 1.1 on 10 meters. Okay, so it looks like this antenna works. We can go back on 160. So after change the band we have to tune again, but the tuning process will be 1 second, because this frequency is in memory, so tuning process will be much quicker. For example here, and again you will see how quick is the tuning process right now. It's done. Okay, so now we can use 100 watts, and we'll see what the SWR will be with 100 watts now. Okay, SWR with full power 1.6. Good. It's not bad. We can switch to SSB and listen a few stations. Okay, not many stations on 160. We can try a 40-meter band and we'll see how it looks like here. It's tuned. And we can make a quick contact here on this band.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, the Yakisurei, November, Golke Delta. Good evening, how are you, Paul?
Okay, Kazu-san, I am testing my new auto tuner from MFJ with the wire antenna about 35-meter high from the ground, and I am running only 100 watts, Kazu-san. So 73, thank you very much, very good evening, and I hope to meet you very soon, Kazu-san. Japan Hotel 3, November Golf Delta, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, over.
Alpha 5, Japan Zulu, calling CQDX, over.
Okay, he's calling DX. Definitely, I'm not DX for him.
Very strong signal, Justin. Euro report 5 and 9 plus 10 dB. Hello 3, Papa, Charlie 20, special call, 200. Juliet, Oscar Yankee, good afternoon, good evening, yes, the West Coast is worry. Kilo 59 pequeño club. Juan, son tus señales. Gracias por hacerte ahí presente y le voy a... Bravo, buenas tardes. Aquí es A3 Bravo Eco Mike desde Gabá, Barcelona. Lo agradezco de Gabá, llegando muy bien también. No tan fuerte como Todor estaba casi 9 más 20, tú estás 9 más 10, pero una señal magnífica. Your last over, you was a very strong signal, 59 plus there. 9 after 5, Foxtrot Mike. Thank you very much for the call. This is Mike Whiskey 7, Juliet, from Mike Taylor. The name is Jason, Juliet Alpha Sierra, Oscar November, Jason. Thank you very much for the call and send you free.
Jason is running portable. I should try him.
Whiskey 7, Juliet, Lima Mike, portable, 200.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Oscar Mike 0, please repeat.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango.
Okay, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Good evening, sir. You're 5 and 8 in the world. This is Mike Whiskey 7, Juliet Lima Mike Foremost. The name this way, Jason, Juliet Alpha Sierra Oscar November. QSR.
Okay, Jason. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much for the contact and for the report. 5 and 8. You are 5 and 9 plus 10 dB. 5 and 9 plus 10 dB. My name is Paul. Papa Alpha Uniform Lima. I'm testing my new antenna, long wire with NFED over.
QSL Paul, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. 100% on your YouTube channel. I will ask you on YouTube. Please put this video up for me there, Paul, of the QSL with you there, sir. Because also, I'm on a new antenna. I made a 40-meter antenna for 40 meters, shall I say. It's a wired dipole antenna. I made it myself. Inverted speed configuration, a wired antenna. And I'm 1,600 feet ASL therefore. I'm 20 kilometers north of Cardiff in Wales there, therefore. And you're doing a fine signal on your new antenna. You're doing a great job there. And using a EQ857 Delta, using 10 watts. And like I said, the antenna, that's what I'm your antenna's working wonderful. Mike Whiskey 7, Juliet Lima Mike, 73.
QSL, Mike Whiskey 7, Juliet Lima Mike, stroke portable, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, 73. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.
Good evening. Mike Whiskey 7, Juliet Lima Mike, portable,
Okay, it seems that this antenna working fine. The SWR was good and the signal was okay. I'm not sure if it was the precise signal, but 5 and 7 I think he gave me. So I'm very happy. SWR very good and very quick and fast tuning on this tuner. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you enjoy, please let me thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one. 73. Bye bye.